I'm here with David Smith, our VP of Exploration. David, thank you so much for joining me today.
Hi, Morgan.
We issued a press release this morning with some deeper drilling at K and K2. Can you explain the significance of these results and also if these results will be included in our upcoming MRE?
Yeah, the significance of the results is that the K2 lens is expanding, which is really great news. We drilled 50 meters in hole 166 in the first hole a few months ago in this lens, and these three new holes are showing consistent grade and good thickness, and it's expanding the zone. So we have now traced the K2 lens about 100 meters along strike and about 140 meters down dip in vertical extent, and so that's really good news that it continues to expand with good thicknesses.
Great, and will this be included in the MRE, do you think?
Yes, it will. All three of the holes we released today will get into the mineral resource estimate.
Oh, great, that's fantastic news. These recent holes have impressive grades over long widths. How do these results compare to your expectations? And do you find that the grades are staying consistent even as we go down and drill these deeper drill holes?
Yeah, the widths are terrific. We're very pleased to continue to be getting multiple tens of meters in the K2 lens. Hole 166, the initial hole in this lens, was 50 meters of intercept, and we're seeing 19, 44, 32 in these new holes, and that's tremendous continuity along a strike length of about 100 meters now in the K2 lens, and a depth extent of about 140 meters.
Great. So I know this resource drilling is wrapping up soon. After that's completed, what's the exploration plan for the remainder of 2025?
Well, we've got a number of new drill pads newly permitted under our current notice of intent to explore with the Bureau of Land Management, and we're going to start testing exploration targets from those new drill pads. We've got 10,000 meters of drilling planned for the remainder of the year on those targets, and those are the best targets outside of K that we have on the property. So we're ready to start testing those with drilling.
Oh, great. I know that we've stated before that only 10% of the prospective mineralized horizon at K has been drill tested. How much blue sky potential remains, and what do those targets look like?
We've got a lot of blue sky at K. There's plenty of exploration to do, and we're going to be doing it this year and in coming years. The majority of the prospective horizon on the property hasn't been tested because it's been folded back on itself a number of times, and we're gaining access to that, and we'll continue to gain access to that strike length with new permitting as it comes online. What's exciting is that we have geochemical, geophysical, and on the ground anomalies that we are targeting with these drill holes.
Great. And one more question while I have you. Finally, Sugarloaf. I know you and I and Jock and Duncan were recently down on site, and it was a great trip to go see, but what are the plans for the drill program there looking like for the rest of this year?
Yeah, we're ramping up for a 7,500 meter program of reverse circulation drilling, and that's going to be starting in the second half of the year. And the intent of that is to verify historic drilling and to fill in and step out into new mineralization and expand the system.
Great, that's so exciting. Well, thanks, Dave. I really appreciate you joining me, and everyone head to our website and check out the latest press release.
Thank you.